Aisha said. Habiba, daughter of Yash and sister-in-law of Messenger of Allah, and wife of Abd al-Rahman b. AWF, had a prolonged flow of blood for 7 years. She inquired from the Messenger of Allah about it. The Messenger of Allah said, "This is not menstruation, but this due to a vein. Therefore, wash yourself and pray." Abu Dawud said, in this tradition, which is transmitted by al-Zuri from Urwa and Urwa on the authority of Aisha, al-Awza'i added, she, Aisha, said, Habiba, daughter of Yash and wife of Abd al-Rahman b. AWF, had a prolonged flow of blood for 7 years. The Prophet commanded her, saying, when the menstruation begins, abandon prayer. When it is finished, take a bath and pray. Abu Dawud said, none of the disciple of al-Zuri mentioned these words except al-Awza'i. From al-Zuri it has been narrated by Amr b. al-Harith, al-Layth, Yunus, ibn Abi Daibi, Imam R, Ibrahim b. Sa'd, Sulayman b. Kathir, ibn Ishaq and Sufyan b. Uyayna. They did not narrate these words. Abu Dawud said, these are the words of the version reported by Hisham b. Urwa from this father on the authority of Aisha. Abu Dawud said, in this tradition Ibn Uyayna also added the words, he commanded her to abandon prayer during her menstrual period. This is a misunderstanding on the part of Ibn Uyayna. The version of this tradition narrated by Muhammad b. Amr from al-Zuri has the addition similar to that made by al-Awza'i in his version.